everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Diwali to you all. In this video, I am going to create this beautiful Diwali look for you all. So let's get started.
So the first product which I'm going to use is the MAC Natural Radiance Primer in the yellow tint. I'm going to take one pump of the product for my entire face. This product is going to help me get a beautiful overall radiance onto my skin and also will allow a smoother application of my foundation. I'm going to simply apply a thin layer of the product on my entire face. Do not forget your neck. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty foundation along with Versali Unicorn Essence. I'm going to mix one pump of foundation with one droplet of the Versali Unicorn Essence oil. This will allow the product to get nice smoother application. It will reduce the mattifying effect of this Huda Beauty foundation and make. Using the same finger, I'm just simply going to pat down the foundation, and next I will use my Real Techniques foundation brush and blend it out all over my face, making a nice even look of the foundation. You can always layer up your foundation if you want more coverage, but I prefer taking less product and building it up accordingly to its requirement. As the foundation is mattifying, I use the Unicorn Essence, but still the foundation sets very fast. So it's great to have a faster application when you're using the Huda Beauty foundation, and do not forget your neck as well when you're applying your foundation. It will help you get an overall neater look, and this foundation gives you almost full coverage. So yes, it's a bang on foundation for people who look for a fuller covering foundation. Foundation might look a little bright than your skin color. Let it sit for your skin for some time. Now I'm going to use my MAC Conceal Correct palette in the medium deep along with my Real Technique brush. I'm going to use the orange corrector and the concealer shade close to my skin color. I'm going to blend in both the shade to get a proper coverage underneath my eye. Also, I'm going to use a little brighter color of the concealer on top of that to bring out my eye shape or to decrease the hollowness under my eyes. This is a great technique for someone who's got deep set eyes. It really helps your eyes to pop out and get a good shape. You can use a flat brush also if you want more coverage, or you can stick by to your biggest size of the brush to blend it out or buff out any kind of lines. Using the same a little bit of concealer around my mouth area as well, because I feel that it's slightly tan, so I have to like neutralize it to make sure it looks nice and even. Now I'm going to set my makeup using the MAC Mineralize Compact. This powder is something which is a non-mattifying product. It will allow my foundation to have its radiant look, and it will also help the foundation to have a longer lasting look and will maintain the overall glow or radiance as well. Using Private Jet and Shimmering Sunset of Huda Beauty along with Real Technique eyeshadow brush, I'm using the matte side of the color first. Take very little of the quantity and blend it even out on your eyes. This is also something which sets by itself, so I would recommend to be little quick while you're applying or blending the product. Using Huda Beauty Icon Liquid Lipstick on the eyelids, creating a nice definition, or you can say a crease look for today's eye makeup. I'm using a fluffy brush and taking very little of the product and blending it seamlessly over the shadow which we have used. Now using the Too Faced concealer in the shade called Snow along with my lip brush, I'm going to create a crease look. So this concealer is something which is a strong mattifying product, so it will give you a nice sharper look to create a cut crease. Next, using a fluffy brush, I'm simply going to just blend out everything. Using the MAC Matte Finish eyeshadows, I'm going to use the lighter color and set the crease, and I'm going to repeat the same on other eye as well. Next, I'm going to use the Shimmering Sunset shade, which is the metallic color, and draw out an eye line close to my lashes. So I'm trying to create a metallic finish eyeliner using this color. This is a beautiful shimmering color. It is going to complement most of your outfits. So don't end up layering it too much as it might crack out. Using a dark matte eyeshadow, I'm simply going to create an outer wing to give a better definition. Using the same palette now, I'm going to draw out my eyebrow shape. I really like to use something which is a mix and blend of 2-3 colors so that it looks nice and natural. And this time I'm trying to create a nice crisp eyebrow shape which is short and sharp to match along with the eye makeup which I've created. You can recreate any kind of eyebrow shape which you are planning to do so, but make sure it complements with your eye makeup. Repeating the same procedure on the other eyebrow as well, and now I've created this beautiful shape for my eyebrows. Now using an eyelash curler, I'm quickly going to curl up my lashes so that it is well prepared for the mascara and eyelash application. I'm going to use MAC Hot and Naughty mascara using a finer tip brush just to define my lashes. I'm not going to overdo it. I'll add up my regular lip balm just to hydrate my lips. Next, I'm going to use the Studio Fix Compact in a darker color to contour my face. I'm using the small fluffy powder brush and following the cheekbone shape and my jawline to chisel down or to shape up or to lift up my face. I'm going to repeat the same on the other side as well. Make sure you follow the natural shape of the bone in both the sides of your face and do check in the mirror whether it's all well balanced. Going to use the Huda Beauty highlighter palette. I'm going to use it for blush and highlighting as well. Now to lift up my eye makeup or to give a nice edgy look, I'm going to use the same lighter concealer along with a flat brush and going to sharpen out the lines or clear out any kind of fallouts. For such makeup looks, it's really important to make sure the finish of the makeup comes out really well. So that's why we are doing this. Now taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to blur out any kind of lines. Now it's set and done and it has lifted my eyes pretty well. Use the same highlighter color using a fan brush and going to lift up all the top notches of my face. Also going to use a little bit of highlighter over all the highlighting points, your eyebrows, your T-zone, over the lips as well. Now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Icon lipstick for my lipstick look, and this has been my utmost favorite lip color so far. It's a beautiful peachy color which you can wear it for day or for your occasional makeup looks as well. Outlining the same with the liquid lipstick, I'm avoiding any kind of lip pencil with any kind of a liquid lipstick. I prefer just to wear them by itself to make it look a little bit more fuller, so outlining a little bit more. And yeah, it's done. You are the
Please do like if you enjoyed watching this video. Share your views or any upcoming topics or upcoming makeup looks you would want me to create in the comments below. Please do subscribe to my channel to support. Again, wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Stay safe, stay indoors, and I urge please do not burn any crackers this Diwali. Let's make it colorful by dressing up, by makeup, and enjoying the festival with our close ones. Thank you. Bye.